Today I will relation for the paper. So today's agenda is the introduction group session of introduction and mention of paper that were there. And then result what to do of the paper and about my analysis. And then we will explain about the consumer trade develop on the share. Yep. So first of all, I will introduce myself briefly. My name is Shadow. I'm from Myanmar, currently I'm planning information major in the Asia, Sabai Asia. So, then people our content is for but especially on the next areas for the Twitter settlement analysis on the 2024 vice presidential candidate for Kibran Awaga Paming Waka using weapon manner. So the other are Tasa, Asia, Amni, and Kiki Satyawan. They are both for the Indonesia student live in the Jakarta. So the main goal of the paper is to classify and measure the public opinion from the Twitter using the settlement data toward the election of the 2024 vice presidential candidate. And they implemented the methodology the documentation. They use the three test data from the data and the data integration to clean and predict data. And overall that, overall that, they use the Naive bias overall that to use to perform the settlement analysis. For the tool, they use Webby Minus or Web is the design for the data science for the best presentation analysis. They issue in machine learning and deep learning field as well. So to be conclusion, the paper conduct will conduct the system analysis using the layer bias for that for classify public opinion using open minor truth. Right? So first of all, we'll explain what is the naive bias for that. So naive bias for that is the supervised machine learning. For that is mainly used bias theorem. And it also a probabilistic classifier that calculate the likelihood of the event for example a tree from the data and using a specific type for example positive or negative settlement data. So, why use name by for that for this analysis? Uh, Name by for that is the qualification model. That is the best for to analyze it, the test data, like the settlement data from the data, and they use the Bayes theory formula uh, and the following. uh, Probability A by B equal probability B by A into probability A by probability B. So in that, probability cannot be 0. This is the name by apparatus. And I will explain about the goal of analysis using manual calculation. Uh, for the purpose, by manual calculation is then to calculate goal was set and perform metric of the paper. And then we will conduct the computation metric, agreement theory, and Bayes theory to analyze it. So, computation metric. So, what is the computation metric? Computation metric is a table that shows how a qualification model like Naive Bayes algorithm how performs by comparing predicted level with actual level. So, there's the computation um, computation metric table. We will use the data set from the paper our paper oversight of nearby model tested. We get the to the data set equal 3,223 data. So we will calculate the accuracy by manual calculation. So what is the accuracy? Accuracy is the proportion of all position that were correct. So for the formula, we can see accuracy equal true positive plus true negative by all data set. So we get by manual calculation, accuracy is matched with the paper output accuracy 82.90%. Then we will also calculate precision. So precision is the accuracy of the positive and negative precision. It shows how much data model was actually correct. For the formula, positive for the formula of the positive precision is dB plus uh, FB. So we found positive precision is matched with the pre-power output positive recall 89.48%. We can calculate the precision and negative by the for manual calculation. We got um we got the precision but negative precision to paper photo negative we got in 78.59%. And then we got for the recall is the measurement how a model identify the accurate positive for the formula we can for the formula positive recall dB by dB black for F1. So we found that positive recall is matched with the people reported positive precision as 67.35%. For the negative recall, we found that it matched with the people reported negative precision 93.81%. So find out the result of analysis using manual calculation. We found that all five metrics were put in the paper are arithmetically correct. We can see in the table and the state of the paper is correct. However, there is also the error. Error we found the error is the correction of interpretation. Uh, we found a labeling error in the paper. And in the paper, there is the positive precision and positive recall, 89.48% and 67.35%. But however, we uh, we we calculate by manual, we found that that percentage are positive recall and positive precision. So to be calculation, by manual calculation and by with nearby the degree show that performance metric M và performance metric M percent of that for that are arithmetically correct. However, there is also the error and then correction of the labeling. So to be conclude, um, and uh, is very effective at interfering negative tweets also. Naive bias theory is the very effective and then calibration model. Thank you.